Should I use lined paper or plain paper for beginners? For beginners, plain paper usually works better. Lines look helpful to adults, but for young children, they add a lot of pressure. Staying within lines need good eye and hand coordination, spacing awareness, and visual control skills. Skills that are still developing. When children are given lined paper too early, many of them become more worried about not crossing the line than about forming the letter itself. That's when fear of judgment creeps in. Madam, I went out of the line. On plain paper, children feel freer. They can focus on making the shape of the letter without constantly checking where the line is. The hand moves more naturally and confidence builds. Once letter size becomes more consistent and control improves, lines can be introduced slowly and gently. So remember, freedom first, control later. When confidence comes first, neatness follows.